morning everybody. You all welcome for the product training session of Vego coolers. There are two models in Vego air cooler. One is manual operated and another is remote control operated, that is I model. In both the category, this is the first category desert model, Glacier and Glacier I. Glacier is the manual operated and Glacier I is the with remote, or it is intelligence, that is it can be operated from the distance. It has got a full function remote. About this Glacier, let me tell you a few features. That is, one is the 72-liter tank, which is the large size and give you continuously water supply to the submersible motor. Also, it has got a unique feature in I model, that is empty tank alarm. When there is no water in the tank, it will sense alarm and it starts buzzing, indicating the water is not there in the tank. Customer has to be alerted so that they can pour water inside to get more cooling with the function of submersible motor. Now I will show you how to open and dismantle for certain repairs if required, a failure or a damage if you come across of main motor, submersible motor and swing motor. Also any other plastic parts such as horizontal levers and vertical levers or knob or switch. If anything goes bad or damaged, we can replace it. I will show you the procedure how to go about this. I have got a expert service technician, Mr. Akib, who will dismantle one by one and to show how it is made easy to dismantle this cooler. Let us start. To open the top panel so that front panel can be dismantled. There are two screws at the corner of the back side of the top panel which is removing. After removing two screws from the top, there are three locks which is click fitted inside the back panel. So to unlock this, you have to insert the screwdriver and just unlock these three locks. So the whole top cover can be lifted. And again, unlocking these two locks of side panel from both the side, left and right. After removing both the sides panel, the second is also removed. Now we have removed both the side panels. After removing these two side panels, now we have to remove top panel. It can be removed by unscrewing. There are two screws which is connected between top panel and front panel. We are showing you where the screws are fitted. The second screw is also being removed. And now see, this front control panel has come out, and also by unlocking two locks, the top panel is loosened and can be removed. This wiring, if you want to change any switch, function switch and speed switch, you have to remove the wiring, you have to loosen the wiring, and then one by one ensure that the power cord is not connected. For any motor replacement also, the power cord should be unplugged, and you can remove the terminals of the motors for replacing the switch, or if you want to replace submersible motor or main motor also, the terminals should be removed from the switches. He is removing the terminals of the all contacts which are coming from the motor or from the mains cord, from the power cord. She has removed a function switch, contacts, a terminal from the which are coming from the main motor. Now the control panel has been dismantled. You can replace the switch whichever is defective and reconnect the contacts connections again. Open up the top panel and do the rest of the repairing. Remove this, connect it to the distribution pipe for sprinkling of the water supply. It has been removed now. I'll show you one thing. In case of any defect come in this distribution pipe, also it can be removed and replaced. So you have to just pull out these from the locks and it comes out. To remove the back panel, there are two screws connected at the corner of the tank as well, back panel bottom. He has removed the two screws, 1 and 2. Now the back panel has come out. See, now the main motor can be seen. If you want to replace the main motor in case of any defect, if you want to replace swing motor, if the swing is not operating, or maybe the swing carry bar or the lever which operates the swing portion of this cooler, also there is fan blade also, which how to remove that I will show you. So we will start removing swing carry bar. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 locks. And the swing carry bar has come out. Swing carry bar has got 4 locks which are fitted in this with the vertical lures. A stem of the vertical lure is inserted into these locks. So to replace this, now it is very easy. Just remove 2 screws, cam gear, and it can be replaced. So it is very easy to replace swing motor. Now he is putting back the swing motor. Anything, any damage, you can replace this also. You have to just insert the screwdriver between the slots, between the gap of cam gear and motor, and just turn this. Just pull this out so it will come out. This is a vertical lure. In case of any damage, if it needs to be replaced, we can easily remove the stem of this from this lock, which is come with the shroud. So the vertical lure has come out. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical lures. Now again I will repeat. You have to just bend it and insert the stem in this lock. Let us go to the next segment of replacing main motor, which is fitted on this bracket. So now I will show you how to remove this. You might need this for replacing this motor. To dismantle the motor, we have removed this motor mounting bracket, and now the motor mounting bracket support, which is connected between the motor mounting bracket and tank. See, after removing this, the whole entire assembly of this motor can come out, and you can easily replace the motor. Before removing the motor from this bracket, you have to unscrew this fan blade from the shaft of this motor. So this can be easily removed by unscrewing a screw which is fitted on the shaft and fan blade holder. For removing this motor, you have to loosen this bolt so the entire motor will come out. We have removed this plate from the shaft of this motor, and also we have removed motor from this motor mounting bracket by removing the nut bolts, 4 nut bolts. Now the motor can be easily replaced. So you can replace the motor with a new one. If you want to replace, if the submersible pump motor is defective, you can remove this from the bottom of the tank. There are 2 screws, and you can replace this just loosen the flexible pipe from the top and also from the connector of this submersible motor. So the submersible motor can be easily replaced. In case of tank damage or crack, then the tank also can be replaced by removing these two screws which is connected to the front panel. This shroud also can be removed by removing the screws connected to the front panel and shroud. So now we are refitting this. These are horizontal levers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 horizontal levers and 4 vertical levers. I have already shown you how to replace the vertical lever. Now I will show you how to replace the horizontal lever. There are two locks which is fitted on this link, connected link, which are fitted on the shroud, that is the horizontal assembly frame. Now again I will refit and show you how to put one stem here first, insert this stem, then again just bend it and put second stem, and now press this hard so that it can be locked. The horizontal lever is refitted in this two lock and now it starts operating. To add on this horizontal lever, there are two sections. The lower half is controlling the lower flow, lower throw of the air, and the upper half, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 levers are controlling the upper half of the horizontal lever section. Can be replaced. There are grips for the movement of these manually operated levers. Now we will reassemble entire cooler, which will brief you how we go about the procedure of this. So he is assembling entire shroud and the other assembly, horizontal lever and vertical lever assembly on the front panel. He is refitting entire motor mounting bracket, also motor mounting bracket support between tank and motor mounting bracket. Entire unit one by one. We are making the connection of the on-off and speed switch. These two wires which are in link with the function switch is coming from the power cord, that is the live wire, red in color. L, which is given on this, the mark is L, that is live mark is given on the switch. So the live stand is connected, live terminal is connected. Then Then connector number 1, which is coming for the top speed, that is high speed from the motor. Then we'll go to the other side of the switch, which is white in color. The color code is white, which is the second speed, a medium speed, and then again one single red wire which is connected to the low speed. So low, medium and high. So this switch is connected, that is on off and speed. Then this white wire which is coming from the submersible pump motor is connected to the 1 number terminal of this switch. Then 2 number, this is coming from the swing motor and it is looped to terminal number 3. So this will function as a swing and pump motor function, and the third one is the only swing. This is motorized swing. This will give only swing, and this will give you both a cooling as well as swing. Common terminal called neutral, and all wire connected which are coming from the main motor, swing motor and submersible motor, and shorted at one terminal which is neutral. Entire cooler. Which has started refunctioning again. So entire assembly procedure is successful, and you are confident with this session. Thank you.